Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how I used this living clove spray to grow my hair within 2 weeks. If you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, this is my hair before, and this is my hair after. So let's get right into the video. First, to make the clove spray, all you have to do is to get a clean jar. So I'll be using this spoon to measure the amount of cloves I'll be using. So here is my cloves. And this is what it looks like. Did you see? This is what it looks like. So I'll go ahead and take about 3 tablespoons of cloves. I'll add the cloves into the jar. Then the next thing I will do is that I'll go ahead and get a hot water, boil water. Add the water into the jar containing the cloves. Then once that is done, you cover it and allow it to stay overnight. So this is the next day. This is what it looks like. Did you see? All the nutrients has diffused into the water. So the next thing I'll do is to get a cup and also a sieve. I'll go ahead and pour in the cloves water into the sieve as to sieve it. Now I've collected the cloves water. The next thing I'll do is to go ahead and add it into this spray bottle. Then after adding it into the spray bottle, I'll go ahead and add this Dr. Miracle peppermint hair oil. I add this because I don't want my hair to be dry. Yes, it's good that you add oil, any oil you are using to the clove spray, okay, so that after spraying it on your hair, it will not leave your hair dry. I went ahead and I shaked. So now I'll go ahead and apply the clove spray on my hair. This is my hair. I've been doing this and this is 1 week now. This is my hair. So this is the second week I'm using this and I decided to film it. So this is my hair right now. I'll go ahead and spray the cloves water. I'll spray it all over my hair. As I spray it, I'll go ahead and massage my hair as to make sure that the water is penetrating very well. This cloves water is very nice. It can triple your hair growth overnight. Believe me when I say so. This is the back of my hair before and this is right now. So for you guys to see that this is really working. So I'll go ahead and apply this and spray the water all over my hair. Then I'll massage my hair. After that, I'll pack my hair. You don't need to wash it out. Just spray it all over your hair, massage it, and cover your hair if you're about to go to bed. If you are not going to bed yet, just leave it. So this is 2 weeks later. This is complete 2 weeks and 3 days. Yes, did you see the growth I have? Did you see the undergrowth? Did you see? So now I'll go ahead and lose my hair and wash it. Then this is after washing my hair, guys. In fact, I'm so happy with my hair right now. Did you see the growth? My hair tripled in length. Honestly, guys, did you see? This is my hair now. And this was my hair before. Did you see how thin my hair was? So guys, please, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.